In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a booklet in Canva, step by step. So let's get started. First, open canva.com and in the search bar at the top, type booklet. You'll now see a variety of ready-made booklet templates that you can use. Browse through them and click on a design that matches your theme. For example, a travel guide, a catalog, or an event brochure. Once you've picked one, click on Customize this template to open it in the editor. Now you can start personalizing your booklet. To change the title, simply double-click on the text and type your own. For example, Tour Guide to Turkey. You can change the font style from the top toolbar by clicking on the font menu and choosing a new one that fits your design. You can also replace images easily. Click on any existing image, press Delete, then head to the Elements tab on the left. Search for something related to your topic, for example, Turkey, and drag an image or illustration onto your page. You can resize or reposition it to fit your layout. Next, if you want to change the background color, just click on the background, then go to the top toolbar, click on Color, and choose a shade from the color palette. Now at the bottom of the editor, you'll see page thumbnails. These are all the pages of your booklet. You can scroll through them to view and edit each page individually. If you need to add a new page, just click Add Page at the bottom. Once you're happy with your design, you can go to the top right corner, click Share Arrow Download, and choose PDF Print for the best quality. Then print it or save it digitally, and your booklet is ready to go.